Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Chrysler 300 backup camera. First, let's start with some simple checks you can do right at home. Begin by cleaning the camera lens thoroughly, as dirt or moisture can often cause issues. Next, visually inspect the wiring connected to the camera for any obvious damage or loose connections, especially near the trunk where it gets slammed. Finally, confirm your car's battery has a full charge, as low voltage can sometimes affect electronic components like the camera. If initial checks don't resolve the problem, consider a software reset for your Uconnect system. This can often clear minor glitches. You can usually do a soft reset by holding down the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for 10 to 20 seconds until the screen reboots. Next, check the fuse box. The backup camera fuse, often labeled as fuse 44 or 45, is typically located in the trunk, behind the battery. Always replace a blown fuse with one of the exact same amperage to prevent further electrical problems. Should the issue persist, it's time to look closer at the camera unit itself. Physically inspect the camera for any cracks, water intrusion, or other damage, as these cameras are exposed to the elements. Using a multimeter, test the power supply to the camera to ensure it's receiving the correct voltage. Additionally, the rear view camera control module, sometimes located near the steering column, might need inspection. A faulty module can prevent the camera from functioning properly. For persistent problems, professional diagnostic scanning can identify specific error codes related to the camera system. This can pinpoint issues that are not easily visible. Also, ensure your vehicle's Uconnect software is fully updated, as outdated software can cause compatibility or functionality problems. Regular updates can prevent glitches and improve performance. If you've tried these steps and still have issues, it might be time to consult a qualified technician. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.